Hello dears, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will prepare a homemade anti-wrinkle mask. For today's mask, we will need eggs. Eggs brighten the face. The vitamins in eggs nourish the skin and make it even. And with regular use, the skin becomes clearer, dull areas become brighter. Balances oily skin. Egg whites absorb excess oil, making them ideal for oily skin. It reduces shine on the face, giving a clean and matte effect. Nourishes dry skin yolk. Egg yolks are a natural moisturizer. They contain a large amount of vitamins A, E, and fats. The skin softens and dry areas are restored. Supports the production of collagen and elastin. These two proteins are very important for the skin to look younger. The amino acids in eggs strengthen the skin from the inside. Cleanses the face and reduces inflammation. Egg whites can reduce bacteria, which reduces the likelihood of acne. The skin is gently cleansed. Reduces wrinkles, skin tightening effect. Egg whites in particular tighten the skin, temporarily smoothing wrinkles. Stimulates collagen production, increasing skin firmness. Shrinks pores and tightens skin. The albumin substance in egg whites tightens the skin, shrinking large pores. And when pores are reduced, the skin looks younger and smoother. We need coffee for this anti-wrinkle mask. Coffee reduces wrinkles and rejuvenates skin. The caffeine and antioxidants, polyphenol, in coffee slow down the breakdown of collagen in the skin. This helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines. The skin looks firmer and younger. Evens out skin tone. Coffee reduces dullness and uneven skin tone. It makes the face look bright, clear, and healthy. Removes dead skin cells. Coffee powder acts as a natural scrub. Cleans pores and reduces acne. It makes the skin smooth and soft. Improves blood circulation. And when caffeine is applied to the skin, blood circulation is activated. This nourishes the skin, gives the face a natural redness and fresh effect. Reduces under-eye puffiness and darkness. Caffeine reduces puffiness. Lightens under-eye circles. Antioxidant protection prevents skin aging. The antioxidants in coffee eliminate free radicals. Reduces sun and environmental damage. Keeps skin looking younger for longer. Balances oily skin. Coffee calms the sebaceous glands. It reduces excess oil on the face and controls shine. We also need honey for this mask. Honey reduces wrinkles and rejuvenates the skin. Honey is very rich in natural antioxidants. These substances neutralize free radicals in the skin, slowing down the aging process. Skin elasticity increases, wrinkles gradually soften. Deeply moisturizes the skin. Honey is a powerful humectant. It attracts moisture to the skin. It deeply nourishes and softens dry and tired skin. The face looks puffed up, full and young. Stimulates collagen production. Enzymes and vitamins in honey support collagen production. Collagen is the most important substance for skin elasticity. Evens out skin tone. Honey softens dullness, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. It gives the face a radiant glow effect. Antibacterial, reduces acne and inflammation. Honey has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Soothes inflamed areas on the face, reduces pimples. Cleans pores. Restores skin tissue. Honey helps small wounds and scratches heal faster. It has a gentle effect on couperose, redness, and sensitive skin. Increases skin smoothness. With regular use, the skin texture becomes even and smooth. Fine lines gradually disappear. We also add olive oil to this mask. Olive oil deeply moisturizes the skin. Makes the skin elastic. Softens dry wrinkles. How to apply: wash and cleanse your face with warm water. Apply the mask thinly to your face, especially in areas with wrinkles. Wait 15 to 20 minutes. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Gently wipe and rinse with warm water. Benefits of each ingredient: egg whites shrink pores, tightens skin, temporarily smooths wrinkles. Coffee exfoliates dead cells, increases blood circulation, brightens skin tone. Honey reduces inflammation, restores skin barrier, gives radiance. Yogurt lactic acid softens skin, reduces blemishes, provides a light whitening effect. Olive oil deeply moisturizes, makes skin elastic, softens dry wrinkles. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know.